Seventh grade, we are in week 9 still, and still talking about geology. Today, we'll be able to distinguish between intrusive and extrusive igneous rock. So here's two different pictures of rocks. These rocks don't even look like they're the same type. They are, at least, in the same way that fish and mice are both vertebrates. They both cooled from magma, but the similarities end there. Can you tell what's different? Igneous rocks cool from magma. The appearance of the rock is created by the composition of the magma. It is also determined by the rate that the magma cools. If the magma cools deep underground, it cools slowly. If the magma cools at or near the surface, it cools quickly. This results in two different rock types. The rock types can be told apart by the size of their crystals. The size of the crystals creates the texture of the rock. Intrusive igneous rocks cool underground. Deep in the crust, magma cools slowly. Slow cooling gives crystals a chance to grow. Intrusive igneous rocks have relatively large crystals that are easy to see. Intrusive igneous rocks are also called plutonic. A pluton is an igneous rock that forms within the crust. And granite is the most common intrusive igneous rock. Geological processes have brought some igneous rocks to the surface. In this picture, we see a landscape of California's Sierra Nevada mountains made of granite that has been raised to create mountains. Let's talk about extrusive igneous rocks for a little bit. Extrusive igneous rocks form above the surface. The lava cools quickly as it pours out onto the surface. Extrusive igneous rocks cool much more rapidly than intrusive rocks. The rapid cooling time does not allow for large crystals to form, so igneous extrusive rocks have smaller crystals than igneous intrusive rocks. Extrusive rocks also are called volcanic rocks. Some extrusive igneous rocks cool so rapidly that crystals do not develop at all. These form a glass, such as obsidian. Others, such as pumice, contain holes where gas bubbles were trapped in the lava. The holes make pumice so light that it actually floats in water. The most common extrusive igneous rock is basalt. It is the rock that makes up the ocean floor. Shown below in this picture are the three types of igneous rocks, extrusive igneous rocks. So to summarize, intrusive igneous rocks cool from magma slowly in the crust. They have large crystals. Extrusive igneous rocks cool off from lava rapidly at the surface. They have small crystals. Texture reflects how an igneous rock is formed. So you should be able to distinguish between intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks at this time. If you need more review, please feel free to go back and check the video. Otherwise, go ahead to the assignments. Have an awesome day. Thanks so much. See you guys soon.